Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your WordPress profile link. First, log into your WordPress dashboard using your unique credentials. Once inside, navigate to the Users section located on the left-hand menu. From there, select your profile to access all your personal settings and information. This initial step is crucial for finding and managing your public presence on your WordPress site. It takes just a few moments to get started. Now that you are on your profile page, finding your link is straightforward. Scroll down to the Contact Info section, where your public profile link is often displayed. Alternatively, simply view your public profile and copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. This URL is what others will use to visit your personal page. It's a simple copy and paste operation. To make your profile link more memorable, you can customize its permalink. Your chosen username or display name directly influences this URL. While WordPress offers some flexibility, consider using a dedicated plugin for more advanced customization options. This allows you to create a clean, concise, and easy-to-remember link that reflects your brand or identity. A well-structured permalink enhances user experience. Once you have your profile link, sharing it is key to expanding your online presence. Share this link across various social media platforms and on your personal websites. You can also include it in your email signature for professional networking. Encouraging others to visit your profile allows them to learn more about you and your contributions. It's an effective way to connect and engage with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.